Hey there! Today I'm going to walk you through the process of factory resetting your 4th-generation Nest Learning Thermostat. Before we get started, keep in mind that a factory reset will erase all your personal settings, so double-check that this is really what you want to do. Alright, let's start by waking up your thermostat. You can do this by either walking near it or gently touching the display. Once the screen lights up, you're all set to move on to the next step. Now let's access the settings menu. First, press the outer ring of your thermostat. This acts as your selection button. You'll see the main menu appear. Rotate the ring counterclockwise until you find the gear icon. That's your settings. Press the ring once more to enter settings. Great. Now that we're in the settings menu, let's move on to the next step. Now let's find the factory reset option. Keep rotating the ring. You'll come across various menu items. Keep scrolling until you see factory reset. Once you find it, press the ring to select it. Great. Now this next part is crucial, so pay close attention. You'll see the reset screen, but here's the tricky part. Rotate the ring until you see the reset option highlighted. The highlight can be subtle, so look carefully. Press to select once you're sure it's highlighted. Great. Now, let's move on to the next step. The thermostat will ask if you're sure. Just rotate the ring to highlight yes and press to confirm. You'll see a resetting message appear. Hang tight, this won't take long. Once it's done, you're ready for the next step. Once the reset is complete, your thermostat will be back to its factory settings. This means all your previous settings are now erased. And that's it. Your Nest thermostat is now reset and ready to be set up as new. If you need help setting it up again, we've got a detailed guide for that too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. See you next time.